Okay, so today let's talk about task management tools. We already discussed Trello, and today we are going to discuss Slack. Slack is a messaging program designed for use in the workplace as it can help colleagues keep in touch, plan schedules, share documents and files, and stay connected. So basically, this is what Slack's app looks like. So it is available for desktop and mobile devices, and the program can also be used through the Slack website or on a web browser. So let's try to click this button. So it says here launch Slack. So as you can see, I already have a workspace and you can easily create a new one. So you just need to click create a new workspace, or you just need to sign in to another workspace. So let's try to click this workspace that I already created. So this is a messaging tool intended for internal team of more than two people, while for external you can always use email. So it is basically letting collaboration between two or more people. That's why it's great for team. So for the free version, you can search for 10,000 of your team's most searchable message. And after that, it's going to start deleting the messages. You can always upgrade to get limited options and then many more. So let's just say you want to search for the specific channel that you want. You just type in click hashtag and then you can see the different channels that you want to review. And on the left side, this is my workspace. If you click this new message button, you can type your message here. So here you can type the name of a channel, people, or email address. Let's just say hashtag status, and then once you click that, you can always add people to this specific hashtag, and then you can easily connect an app and then forward emails to these channels. So just type in your message here, and then you can easily use the toolbar here down below the message that you are typing, and then you can hide the formatting, you can mention someone, you can add emojis, and then you can attach file. Once you are done, you can easily send that message right away. So again, let's start to explore more the icons here on the left side. So this is the drafts. You can see the drafts messages to send when you're ready. Once you browse the Slack, you can see all the unread messages here. So all the DMs, direct messages, mentions, and reactions, save items, channel browsers, file browser, people and user group or apps. And you can easily customize this list based on your preference. Just click this one right here. And then channels, this is one of the most important part of Slack. So if you click this plus button here, you can easily add channels, or you can create a new channel and browse channels. Channel is just the topic of discussion. So underneath, this is where you can type your direct message or message, and you can send it to a specific person or your teammate, and then you can also add your teammates here. Just click on the add teammates button, or this plus sign, this one right here on the top right of the screen. You can see that this is my account, and I can always update my status here. Let's just say that I'm going to set the status. So I can click, or I can say that I'm in a meeting, or I'm commuting, I'm out sick, vacationing or working remotely. You can also say that you are in the meeting. So you just say, I'm in a meeting, like, okay, and then save. I can always pause my notifications. So let's just say do not disturb. Okay, you can always adjust the time for 30 minutes, 1 hour, and you can always customize. I can also edit my profile, view my profile, my preferences, and then sign out. You can also integrate apps to your Slack like Trello, Dropbox, and a lot of many great tools that you can install and have these work together with your Slack. So again, Slack is a very unique app compared to other messaging tools because you can easily search for the specific topic or channel that you want to review. Again, this is the searchable history. You can easily search for things that you have talked about, which is hard to do compared on emails and text messages, even on Facebook chat, Messenger, Instagram DM.